This 5-minute solution will show you how to change App Store country location on iPhone. To change your App Store country location, just follow these quick steps to do it. Open your App Store and tap on your profile photo at the top right. Tap on your Apple ID. Tap on country region. Tap on change country or region. And here select a new country. Tap on I agree. Agree. Fill up this form using your valid mobile number, your billing name, billing address. Then tap on next and your country will be changed for App Store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.